If you want to change the sound EQ on Google Pixel 10a, then unfortunately we do not have a built-in audio equalizer. So for that reason, we need to go to the Play Store and we need to download a third-party sound EQ that allows you to, of course, adjust the audio EQ. So if we go to search over here, we should be able to find for something like an equalizer or something similar to that. And of course, you should be able to find many different apps and that you can try pretty much for free. So you can try to find your favorite one. In my case, I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna show you how to set it up, which is pretty straightforward. But if you don't like this app, or if it doesn't work for you for some reason, feel free to try any other app that you can find on this list, and I can actually recommend you to do so. You don't have to choose specifically the same one. Over here, we can just skip the introduction in here. We don't need to know about the Pro. Over here, we can turn on the EQ, and we need to grant the permission to send notifications. This is actually necessary. Once the EQ is enabled, you should be able to set it up quite easily in here. We can adjust the EQ manually by just moving up and down on these frequencies. You can also choose a custom profile over here, so you have some presets available in here. We have the bass boost, loudness, audio balance, and virtualizer that you can use as well. And besides that, you can tap on the setting in the upper right corner in case you need to find some additional options. So if you're looking for something more, try these settings. But that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.